Here's the real reason why your digital marketing agency is losing clients that nobody's ever gonna tell you. Here's the hard truth. Most digital marketing agencies, even myself, lose clients is because of a lack of communication. If you're not actively reaching out to your customer on a consistent basis, keeping them updated, you will lose them. Most businesses, not even just digital marketing agencies, but most businesses, once they close that client, they typically kind of just go off to the next one, right? Hunt and kill, so to speak, kind of a mentality versus farming and nurturing. Think of closing that first client as just the first step in the sales process. Do your best to reach out to them, nurture them, get those cadences set up, even using video email, which MAGNFI offers all of our agencies as part of our white label program, the ability to send video email. Email them weekly a video, giving them an update. Even if you don't physically meet with them, send them a quick video, giving them an update of what is going on so that business owner understands all the work you're doing behind the scenes. Because if they leave, you're probably wondering, I'm doing all this stuff for them. Why did they leave? Because you didn't communicate the value. Take time, record a simple video, communicate that value. If you need help with that, drop us a DM. We'll get you access to the MAGNFI white label platform, our sandbox, absolutely free. Just drop me a DM.